Marina Village, RiverLights, Wilmington, NC. I am so excited about this development. A lot of townhomes here. This is really the town center. It's called Marina Village. Where? It's in Wilmington, NC. And we're going to walk down to the Cape Fear River and just give you a taste for coastal living. Club golf indoor. This is being built up right now. And just like a 3-minute golf cart drive, that's a cool park, live music, live oaks and live music. Live Oaks it's a low country thing, y'all. And this is really North Carolina, not the low country of South Carolina. But coming from Hilton Head, it feels very much like, the low country coastal South Carolina. But Wilmington is a historic town. And again, we're about 24 minutes here from Wrightsville Beach. And then, of course, there's Carolina Beach, and then there's Kure Beach. But the RiverLights Information Center, by the way, shout out to Jared in there. The RiverLights Information Center is definitely a place you can go in and get a feel for all of the builders, including Pulte is building in here, as well as H&H Homes is building in here. Some locals, Trust and 70 Coast. And so there's some great builders. But this Riverwalk, y'all, if you lived in the Del Webb, Wilmington, you're part of RiverLights. Del Webb, Wilmington is Del Webb RiverLights. And you can literally get in your golf cart and come right down here to the water. Now, you talk about a city with water, the Cape Fear River. Yeah, I know you saw the movie. This is magical. Jack loves this. People walking their dogs. We're here in the morning, of course, not so much. In the afternoon, places to gather, places to sit on the bench and look at the water. I'm into that. I know about that. And so the Cape Fear River is part of it. And this Cape Fear River goes all the way in to downtown historic Wilmington, NC. And again, if you type Wilmington into my YouTube search bar, you'll see where Jack and I had dinner at Ann Bonny's with a killer singer-songwriter named Jenny Lynn. It was just, I don't know, I feel like I was on vacation. Now, you could live here. That's the cool thing. You can literally buy a house in RiverLights and come down here every afternoon, or you could spend all day here if you're retired. Places to hang out, places to eat, sit out and enjoy the water, walk the boardwalk, go crabbing. Exactly. And so you've got the Cape Fear River here at RiverLights, but then you've got the Cape Fear River in historic downtown Wilmington, which, by the way, what a great feel of that downtown area, how they've restored the buildings back from the cotton district, the cotton industry, and it's just a lot of great restaurants. But you can live here at RiverLights and go and enjoy that in town. What's that, maybe 15-minute drive? And then you can come here and enjoy living here. So Del Webb, Wilmington, you want to check out the videos that I have on the Sonoma Cove and some of the other videos there. And just give me a call at 704-345-3400 about relocating to the Carolinas.